In this guide, you will learn how to type colored text on Discord using a simple method that works only on a PC, not on the Discord mobile app. To get started, launch Discord on your PC and head over to any server. Then click into a text channel where you want to send your message. Next, open a new tab. There type in Discord text color commands. Then click on one of the top results that offers a text formatting tool. Once the website loads, scroll down to the text box and type the message you want to send on Discord. After typing your text, highlight the entire message and choose a color from the available option, such as red, yellow, green. You will see the text color change instantly. After selecting the color, click on the option that says Copy Text as Discord Formatted. Now return to Discord, paste the copied text into the chat box and press enter. Your message will appear in the selected color, allowing you to send colored text easily in Discord chats. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.